how you use a brow pencil. So this is my favorite brow pencil. It's nice because it has the blending brush on one side and the color on the other side. What I like to do is brush through my brows just to make sure that they're brushed up before I apply any color. And I just kind of hold it at a slant and go upward just to make sure that I get the color in there correctly once I start to put it on there. So I brush up. And then on the other side is the color. I use the tip of the pencil and kind of outline underneath the brow and go right on that line so that it makes it nice and full. And then you can go back in with the pencil and just go in the same direction that the hair grows so that it looks more natural. And you can just softly do it, and then you can always go back and add more color. At the front of the brow, you can just, like I said, go with how the hair grows straight up. And I like to use the tip or even the side, and then go back in with the brush to brush it through. And voila. This is by far my favorite brow pencil. I've tried every brow pencil, but this Benefit one,